Hello, green butterflies. We are on lesson 2.1, group tens as hundreds. We're working on the standard understand place value. This is going to help you a lot in working toward your badge about place value, hundreds, tens, and ones. It says here, circle groups of 10. Count the groups of 10. Bernie dropped 100 pennies. How many groups of 10 pennies can he make as he picks up the pennies? So let's find a group of 10. I think these stacks are 10. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. So there's a stack of 10. Another stack of 10s. Keep circling sets of 10. Groups of 10. How many groups of 10 are there? Go ahead and count them. How many groups of 10 did you come up with? You should have come up with 10 groups of 10, which makes how many altogether? Makes 100. You guys who paid attention to some of the multiplication that the second graders were doing last year would have seen this. All right. Let's look at the next the next page. Just like we looked at a minute ago, 10 tens is the same as 100. So if we take 10 of these 10 sticks, this is 10 tens, that's the same as 1 hundreds flat, or of course the number 100. You could have 100 of the individual little cubes too, but think what a pain that would be. Write how many tens. Circle groups of 10 tens. Write how many hundreds. Now they nicely grouped these together for us so we don't have to count them all. We can just see, okay, they're in a nice group here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, or 10, 20. We've got 20 tens, which means how many hundreds? This is a set of 100, and this is a set of 100. How many sets of 100 do we have? Be careful, we don't have 200 hundreds. That would be a really big number. We just have 1, 2 hundreds, which is in fact 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. 200s is, of course, 200. Let's try it again. You can see where we've got them neatly grouped. One group of 10, whoa, how about I make it a little neater? 2 groups of 10, whoops, 10 tens. 3 groups of 10 tens. How many tens do we have? We have 10 here, 10 here, 10 here, 10, 20, 30 tens. Now each of those 10 tens is the same as how many hundreds? This is 100, this is 100, this is 100. How many hundreds is that? 3 hundreds, which makes one number, what number? 3 hundreds, just knock that S off. It makes 300. Okay, I'd like you to go ahead and do the rest of this lesson. I will be available to answer questions for you as soon as I'm done with the green butterflies. See you then.